Hey folks, it's Jeff here with My Tennessee Home Solution. Today I'm in South Nashville, where we've just purchased this condo right behind me. We bought it as is, we paid cash, and ultimately, whether it's a condo just like this one, or if you have a townhome, a manufactured home, a single family, or even a duplex, triplex, whatever it is that you may have, traditional or unique, give us a call. We'd love to come take a look and see if it'd be a good fit for a cash offer. We'll make it simple, convenient, easy, and ultimately we look forward to speaking with you soon. Give us a call or reach out at mytennesseehomesolution.com and we'll talk to you soon.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.